Well, hello, friends and family. It's Carlos Vides with Innovative Minds here on Televida. Today, we're out in Green Valley. We are visiting a friend and a family, friend and community, somebody that I personally admire, Mr. Raul Bueno. He's going to talk to us about his business, how he became an aeroplane maintenance shop owner. And he's going to talk to us about the passion for his business and why is he doing this type of business. And also, he's the only Hispanic person in the community that has this type of business. So we have a lot to learn from him. Let's meet him. Well, today we are sitting here with Mr. Raul Bueno, the owner of SkyPros Aviation. We went all the way out to Green Valley to meet him and meet his people that he worked with, and also take a look at his shop. Look at his passions. What is it that makes Mr. Raul so special in a Hispanic community working with aeroplanes? He's going to show us a little bit. Mr. Raul, thank you.
Carlos, thank you for your
Thank you
us and
for allowing us to be here today.
thank you very much.
Yeah.
I appreciate your time and enjoy this passion in the aviation.
Yes. I'm curious. This plane that we're sitting right here in front of it, what's some of the work that you did to it, or how did you acquire the plane?
Well, Don Carlos, this detail or part of this business became because due to the COVID and the business were slow.
Mm-hmm.
So we got idea and opportunity to buy this aircraft, complete the maintenance, poor maintenance, and we assemble it and restore this aircraft, reconditioning and restore the instrument panels, new technology.
So when you bought this plane, it was completely destroyed, old, and
it was all the time and long time without the maintenance, inspections, and all equipment.
So you found an opportunity,
and with the opportunity to
buy
it and make this in better condition.
And you say you changed the instrument panels.
We make the panel and replace the instruments with the new technology.
That makes easier for the pilots to fly at night.
They make this airplane for trainer. The IFR conditions, instrument flight rules means. So everybody wants to learn to fly this airplane. It has the condition, rules
to fly, all the requirements and rules and regulations
to fly this aircraft.
Fantastic. I really like to see this. Is this for sale?
It's for sale.
It is for sale. You're not going to keep it?
No. I invest a lot of money, time, and I need to keep going. I love this kind of the jobs or task or work too.
But tell me a little bit about what gives you the passion for getting into the aircraft business?
Always, since I remember, my father was a A&P mechanic, sheet metal, and I involved in aviation.
And you guys are from Colombia, correct?
I'm from Colombia. So since I left my high school, I started to do this. Not like that now, but it was a process.
You started out working on different type of planes.
And different airplanes. Yeah, many different airplanes.
So you always work by yourself, or you work with a company?
I worked for companies, and when I came to US, I worked with companies and got the opportunity to open my own business in this airport, in this hangar exactly.
So how long have you been on this hangar?
11 years.
11 years.
11 years.
God bless you.
And 6 years FAA certified repair station.
So people can come from all over Kansas City, or they come from all over the state to see you?
In this case, around this area, Kansas City, Kansas, Missouri, all the states.
So what does it feel like to be in this type of business, dealing with most non-Hispanic community? How do you feel being the only Hispanic? Because that is one of the big reasons why I'm here as well. Because I get myself I get full of curiosity. What it got you in the business? You already told us. But how do you feel when you dealing with airplanes, dealing with non-Hispanic market, and what people do with you here?
It was a big challenge
It was a challenge. Mhm.
because uh, it's not easy getting to this business, and then my language and my culture, become a mechanic in the place the aviation born.
Yeah, so being Hispanic
And be
be
Hispanic
Mhm.
involved in this business is hard too.
It's hard. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
if you want, you
So you
can
had
do
to learn the language, learn all the new technology
the new
and yeah,
technology, language,
Mhm.
culture,
culture.
um, deal with the
Uh
customer,
huh. Learn how to deal with after.
how
Yeah, because
to
I
show me and show my work
the
to
demand on this
them.
type of
To them,
customers, I think, is a little bit higher than a
higher.
typical
Yes,
mechanical shop.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm very excited that we got a chance to sit down with you today and meet with you and talk about these planes and the type of work you're doing with it. This one here, hopefully somebody will come in and buy it from you. But then you also do maintenance for people, just regular maintenance for their planes.
Yeah, we did a inspection, annual inspection. We overhaul the engine, overhaul the prop, um, inspect the all the plane, put together, make ready for um, service under all regulations, and
So this plane
manufacture
is qualified, ready to go.
ready to go.
Ready
Yes.
to go.
Yeah.
For those of you up there, this plane is ready to go. So you can come and just pick it up tomorrow. Mr. Raul,
Don Carlos.
thank you very much for showing us the plane and showing us all the stuff you're doing to this plane and all the innovations and all the new instruments you have put into this plane. This is amazing.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
It's very nice profession.
Yes.
I have been spent all my life in this business and this
Airplane.
profession
Yeah, in aviation.
in aviation. And finally, the dreams came when I moved to this country and got the opportunity to grow my or show my skills, my knowledge, and my hard work.
And put your heart into it.
Yes.
Put your heart into it, right?
Yes.
That is always the best because you get to show your passion. And talking about passion, what are some of the things that motivate you, that give you a passion to get into doing it by yourself, being in such a different kind of business? Most of us Hispanics go into a business of mechanical shops, painting, roofings, and everything else, but you went to the aviation business.
Well, this profession became since I left my high school due to my father was an AMP mechanic, sheet metal in Colombia. And in that time, uh, manufacturers from US has a dealers in Colombia.
They had dealers in Colombia.
And they help a lot people in the towns, create a lot jobs for us.
And the aviation business.
And the aviation business and then I went to the school. I'm graduated in electromechanic engineering
Electromechanic engineers. That's fantastic.
and keep working on the process and got the opportunity to come this country, work in companies in this area, Cessna Aircraft, companies in Kansas City, and got the opportunity to work in this hangar.
So was it always easy?
No, it's easy.
That's what I
No,
figured
it's
you were.
easy.
That's
It's
what I
not
figured
easy.
you're gonna say.
But if you want,
Uh-huh.
you make it.
Uh-huh. And specifically, this specific program is catered to the Hispanic community and also to the young community. I want to make sure that they see with good effort, discipline, hard work, things possible.
Yes, of course, it's dedication, education, and work hard work,
Hard work and have a lot of heart.
a lot work, and love this profession.
Uh-huh.
You can be a cars mechanic or construction, but if you love to do,
This is the best place to be.
it's successful.
Yeah. Now, talk to me a little bit about these planes. We see a lot of planes here today. Like, for example, what are you doing with that plane over there at the end? Can you see that plane over there, the one over there in the center?
That airplane,
Yeah, what are you doing to that plane?
it was in San Luis and it stayed for 22 years, no flying. A customer bought it and he looked for me to overhaul the engine.
Mm-hmm.
We overhauled the engine, installed the engine in San Luis, moved tools, moved people, and prepared the plane.
Mm-hmm.
And look for the ferry permit to the FAA, the Federal Aviation Regulations, to fly the plane from San Luis. So it's leaving after the inspection and it's ready, it's airworthy. It goes to Argentina
Oh, that plane is going to Argentina.
by flying.
How about that?
Yeah.
That's a nice looking.
Yeah.
How many people can you sit on that plane?
4.
4 people plane.
4
So
people.
somebody from Argentina bought this plane somewhere in St. Louis, Missouri. It was just sitting like an abandoned plane at an airport, right?
Yes, an
They
airport.
bought it, and now you rebuild it
And rebuild it, remove the engine there, bring the engine here, disassembly, send for
Take it back.
inspection, assembly, take the engine to
St. Louis.
San Luis, prepare the plane,
Bring it here.
ferry to here. And now we are working on everything needs to be per manufacturer recommendations
I bet that
and
was
inspections.
a lot of man hours.
Yes,
Lot of
a lot hours.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So how about the other planes over here, like that little one over there?
That one came from Arkansas. It was another 25 years and on the T hangars. We disassembly, complete disassembly, overhaul the engine, and piece by piece we inspect and restore and make the process to put together. And as soon as it's done, we are going to put on sale.
Put on. Oh, so you're gonna sell that one?
We are going to sell.
So that one is yours.
It's mine.
Bueno, Mr. Raul, it is definitely amazing all the work you've done to this plane. And now the new owner, well, actually, no, this one you told me that is the one that is for sale. And you have changed all the parts on the plane. And now it's a complete new model, rehaul engine and all that type of things. So it's going to be available for somebody to come and buy it from you and go enjoy.
Yeah, that kind of, in this case, their plane, it has a few hours, only 3,500 around. And the other planes, I like them because no too much stress or fatigue on the frame. So we restore the complete frame, instrument panels, radios, electricals, a new engine. In this case, it's overhaul engine. New paint, new interior, everything we do here. As soon as done, this plane is for sale, ready to go. Yeah.
Ready to go up in the air.
Yeah.
Well, that's fantastic. Now let's talk about this one a little bit. We've been standing next to this plane here. What's going on with this plane?
This airplane particularly came for somebody called me and contacted me for a private inspection.
Oh, for private inspection.
And I make the arrangement for private inspection. It was local. And I did the inspection and the engine got problems. So this engine goes to overhaul. So
now you're rebuilding it.
So I'm going to rebuild the engine and another discrepancies, frame discrepancies. But the main thing is the engine repairs,
That's
overhaul.
fantastic. So your clients, what type of clients are the most common clients you get in Kansas City? Like what professions or what backgrounds?
The clients are different type of clients, like doctors, construction, schools, flight schools, and People like their aviation, fly,
There's
just
people
for
that are
hobby,
fanatics that buy their planes. So
for buy their plane or fun,
have
or
it.
people make business and buy and sell aircrafts.
Uh-huh. So,
So they need a mechanic
Mhm.
to make the improvements, make the mechanic task, and I do the best or better than he wants, make it worthy and go.
Fantastic. So people can also, you have a website you can find you, right?
I do.
Yeah. Is that the SkyPros Aviation?
SkyPros Aviation .aero.
That arrow. That's where they can find you, look at your work, look at your
It's,
history, and everything about your business, and how they can come and feel comfortable
yes,
coming to see you.
coming to see me. And
With how many years exactly in the business? Not only here, but everything.
my since I left my school, high school, started as 40 years
40 years of experience
experience
in the aviation
in
business.
aviation business.
You definitely know what you're doing.
Um, and a lot training, education, and
Yeah.
hard work.
Yeah, I can definitely see it, and it's a passion. It's a thing that I'm sure that it's going to go into other families, your brothers and everybody else.
Yeah, my family, my brother is he came to and he's graduated as a aeronautical engineering, and his wife too, and we make the best dream successful, become an FAA certified repair station.
Fantastic. Well, you definitely have shared a lot of good things about your business, your passion, your family, and everything that it takes to be a successful and grow in the community. Now, I'd like for you to leave us a little message for our Hispanic community, for those kids that are going to school maybe, they want to be like you one day. What do
Well,
you tell them?
I think when we are a kid, or adolescent, or teenager, like the aviation,
So
yes,
you're saying that they automatically like the plane?
they like their plane because when they would like to go and fly and see how that works. Some would like to learn how to fly their plane or how to fix their plane.
But that is definitely doable.
There are a lot of people are pilot and mechanic.
Now, if you, let's say in a community in Kansas City or anywhere, because this is a digital program, so it goes everywhere. Not only in Kansas City, but it goes nationwide and outside United States. But let's say somebody says, I have the passion to one day do what he does, and is old enough and is in the position that you can maybe mentor him. Is that available to you?
Oh yeah, if somebody is interested in this kind of business, like the aviation, I can help and oriented and explain and give some tips or tricks
Mentoring.
to mentoring how everybody or somebody can be a mechanic or pilot.
Fantastic. Well, I definitely appreciate your time. Appreciate you opening the doors to us
Thank you, Don
and
Carlos.
letting us talk to you for a few minutes. I know it's hot out here and everything else.
Yeah,
But it's I feel that it's needed in the community. We needed to know that this type of business exists, and it's one of our somebody from the Hispanic community doing it, and you're the only one in Kansas City. So I'm very proud of you.
thank you, Don Carlos.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Grand Valley Airport, and the people trust me and believe my knowledge, my skills, and give me opportunity to start this
Well, definitely,
own business.
it's an effort. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Well, for those of you that you've been watching, thank you very much for watching today. It's been a pleasure and honor to bring you a little bit about Mr. Raul Bueno with SkyPros Aviation here in Green Valley. I hope you have learned something from him. He's a passionate individual, family man, Hispanic from Colombia, been in the business for 40 years, and he absolutely enjoyed doing what he does, and that's why he's with us today. And I tell you, you are watching Carlos Vides with Innovative Minds here in Televida. You have a great week today, and go out what you do the best. Have fun.